Hi, I'm Amy Berger, and welcome to the Standing Balance series. The concept behind this series is to improve your balance in your everyday life and to help you feel more confident as you move around the world in your everyday activities. Right away, as you're taking these classes and you're repeating these classes, you'll find that each time you're going to improve a little bit more than the last. I found this as well when I was practicing this on my own. From class to class, we're going to be getting progressively harder and building on the ideas from the previous class. I'm going to ask you to be barefoot so that you can really ground your feet, ground your toes, and really feel the ground underneath you. You also might need something to help you find your balance. So you may want to use a chair. I prefer a chair that's a little bit on the higher side. You also want a wall to be able to lean up against for the first two classes. Later in the series, you're also going to need arm weights as well as something to use for a step, which could be a yoga block or a few hard-covered books. This series was really fun to create because it allowed me to discover a few things about my own balance, and so it allowed me to focus on trying to stay as even and squared off in my feet, and then working on those muscles that I need when I'm standing on one leg and helping to strengthen my hips. This series is for beginners who are interested in developing more confidence in their balance, for anyone who might be coming back from some sort of injury that you find is affecting your balance. It could also be good for someone who's pregnant and is working to try to figure out how to manage their balance as their body's constantly shifting and changing every day. And this series can be for even the advanced practitioner or for a teacher who wants to help their client and needs some creative ideas.